Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the Rider app demonstration. My name is J. Antoine Thompson or J. Antoine Adine, whichever you choose. So I'm gonna show you an example of our pricing. I was playing around with the apps a couple days ago and I looked up a price on Uber and I looked it up on REVO. I believe the price was like $1 and some change cheaper than Uber, or maybe it was $2 and something, I can't remember. But I checked it like a few minutes later and this is what I came up with. This is $17.21 difference after the discount. And the crazy thing is Uber already applied a 20% discount. And then after you add our discount, it's a $17.21 difference. Now, will every price be like that? No. I got lucky. But most times when I look, it's usually cheaper. And it's a better service, in my opinion. And what's even crazier, they're about to go up on their price 60% and 85% for Uber Eats. That is insane. So anyway, let me show you how to schedule a ride. Okay, so because REVO is newly open in some cities, it's scheduled rides only. So the way you schedule a ride is you click on search your destination. When you get there, you can schedule a ride as soon as 30 minutes. If you're doing a ride for the same day, then it's already set. All you gotta do is click on time. If you want to set a time, then you click inside the box and then type in whatever number. Let's say you're doing 9:45, you would just click on OK. Enter your drop-off location. There's your price, but all riders get a $5 discount on your first 5 rides. So you click on apply coupon. Then down there where you see REVO 5, click on that. If you don't see it down there where it says promo code, you will go in there and type in REVO 5 and then click apply. So it took the $5 off. Now your new price is $3.75. Slide it to the side and you're done.